Okay, so this is a food explosion product photography that I just made with Gemini AI. So if you're running a restaurant or a business, food business that you can sell some food product with fillings or stuffings, then you can use this type of images for marketing or use this style to market your product on the internet or on the social media. So this type of images are very useful to grow your business. So let me show you how to create this type of photo using Gemini AI. First, you just need to come to your Gemini and select create images here. And after that, you need to select thinking option here, or you can choose Pro, because if you choose first option, it will use just Nano Banana, not going to use Nano Banana Pro. And after that, you need to upload your images. So it can be your own images that you took with your camera or your phone. So for example, I'm just going to download an image from Google, which is about spring rolls. You can use your own photo because you're running a business here. It should be images that you took with your own photo and the own product that you sell. So after uploading the image on Gemini AI, you need to provide a prompt here. So this is the prompt that we're going to provide to create that type of images. So you can just copy this prompt from my description box. I'll give the prompt in my description, and after that you will have a option of color appropriate to change here, which is the background. So you can type any type of color, background color that you want here. For example, I'm just going to type here deep red, which is going to be look great for the spring rolls. And for the aspect ratio, you can change it to any type of aspect ratio that you want, but to make this type of images, 3.4 aspect ratio is for the best for vertical composition. So just after that, click submit, and Nano Banana Pro is just going to analyze this image and then create a mouth-watering food explosion images, just like I showed you earlier. So our image has been ready after a couple of seconds, and as you can see, the image look pretty good here. Now we're going to add some text for the headline and add some slogan in the end here. So you can also download this image from here. So for the next step, we're going to need another prompt. So you just need to paste this prompt here. I will also give the prompt in my description box, so you can just copy it. And after that, here you can see there's the option of color appropriate for the text. So if you want to change the text of the color of the text, you can change it. For this, I'm just going to press white here because white is going to look great on the red background. And for the headline, you can select any type of headline. This is a spring rolls. You can choose any type of headlines. So I'm just going to type here spring rolls. So just type crunchy spring rolls. And for the slogan or the CTA for the action, call to action, you can add anything. Like if there's an offer, you can mention that. So I just give a random text here, order now 20% discount. And after that, you just need to click submit, and it will give you the headline on the background and also the slogan. So our image has been ready. Now, as you can see, this is looking great here. Also the slogan here and the text are blending with the photo. So if I just click on this, and this is perfect. So that's it guys. This is how you can create this type of professional looking food product photography with Gemini AI for free. Now you can click on this download option, and after that you can use this for your social media or business or any type of project that you have. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.